She wanna try something else in life. She wants a different view. She wanna move to a place downtown, be a part of the crew. And I'm standing up first in line, right, all in her aim.
If you're looking to get in shape but do not have time to hit the gym or access to equipment, this 10-minute full-body workout is all you need. You don't need fancy equipment or a long workout routine to get results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this simple and effective workout will get your heart pumping, target every muscle group, and leave you feeling stronger. How it works. This workout is based on body weight exercises, meaning you don't need any equipment. It's designed to work all major muscle groups, burn calories, and improve your overall fitness. You can do this routine anywhere, at home, in a park, or even in your living room. The workout is broken down into 5 exercises. You'll perform each exercise for 40 seconds, followed by a 20-second rest. Once you complete all 5 exercises, take a 1-minute rest, then repeat for a total of 2 rounds. 1. Jumping jacks. 40 seconds. Why? This exercise is a great way to get your heart rate up and warm up your entire body. How to do it. Stand with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs and raising your arms above your head at the same time. Jump back to the starting position and repeat as quickly as you can for 40 seconds. Rest, 20 seconds too. Squats, 40 seconds. Why? Squats target your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core. This is one of the best exercises for lower body strength. How to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your hips back and down as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to return to the standing position and repeat. Rest, 20 seconds. 3. Push-ups, 40 seconds. Why? Push-ups are a classic exercise that works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. How to do it. Get into a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push through your palms to return to the starting position. If regular push-ups are too challenging, drop to your knees for an easier variation. Rest, 20 seconds. 4. Plank, 40 seconds. Why? Planks are excellent for strengthening your core and improving stability. How to do it. Get into a forearm plank position, with your elbows directly beneath your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Engage your core and hold the position, making sure not to let your hips drop. Keep breathing steadily and focus on maintaining a straight line from head to heels. Rest, 20 seconds. 5. High knees, 40 seconds. Why? High knees are great for boosting your heart rate and working your legs, hips, and core. How to do it. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Drive your knees up towards your chest one at a time, alternating quickly. Keep your core engaged and your arms bent in front of you for balance. The faster you go, the more intense the exercise. Rest, 20 seconds. Repeat the cycle. Once you've completed all 5 exercises, take a 1-minute rest. Then repeat the entire circuit for a total of 2 rounds. This workout is designed to be quick, effective, and scalable to fit into your busy schedule. Cool down and stretch, optional. After completing the workout, take a few minutes to cool down. Stretch your arms, legs, and back to help with recovery and flexibility. Why it works. This 10-minute workout is based on high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which is proven to burn fat and build muscle quickly. It targets all major muscle groups, boosts your metabolism, and increases cardiovascular endurance. Whether you're short on time or just starting your fitness journey, this workout is perfect for getting a full-body burn in under 15 minutes. Final thoughts. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or seasoned pro. Consistency is key. fit this 10-minute workout into your day, and you'll start noticing improvements in strength, endurance, and energy levels. Plus, since it's quick and requires no equipment, you can do it anywhere, anytime. No more excuses. Get moving and get stronger. Let me know in the comments how it went and which exercises you'd like to see more of.
Touching up on my body, she's moving at me so fast. Until the morning coffee, I just wanna make it last. Up on my body, liking it like that. So just stay for me, I just wanna make it last.